Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome back to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson is on strumming for beginners, pattern number 3. If you haven't seen the previous video series, pattern number 1 and pattern number 2, I encourage you to go back and revisit those as well. Very good lessons, and I'll have a few more lessons yet to be released. So these are easy patterns, so let's get started. So this strumming pattern will be using down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. Okay, so let's mute the strings, and so it'll be like this. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up, down, up, up. Play along with me. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up. Okay. All right. So let's play this using the G major chord. Okay, to play G major, place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string, string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your small finger, finger number 4 on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. Okay, so using the G string only, it goes down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Play along with me. Okay, so down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, up. Okay, so now let's play that pattern with drum backing track. Okay, ready? 2, ready, play. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up, Okay, now let's do it again. Same tempo, same rhythm pattern, but we'll be changing chords. Okay, we'll go from G major to C major like we've done on some of the previous videos. Okay, to C major. To play C major, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, stretch finger number 2 to string number 4 on the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string. Okay, that's C major. So we're going from G major to C major, okay? Now, it's important that you land these chords on the beat, okay? And you want to change chords on a upbeat, okay? And it's just going to be very quick timing, okay? So we'll be playing it through like this. Okay, follow along with me. 1, 2, 3, play. Okay, let's play that one more time, but let's use the drum backing track to play with it this time. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that's very good. We're going to play one more time, but we're going to speed up the tempo, okay, just a little bit. It won't be hard, okay? If it gets too fast for you, just continue using this tempo that we just finished. Go back on that until you feel comfortable with it. Then you can speed it up. Okay, we've been playing at 90 beats per minute. I want to only speed this up to about 120 instead of 130 beats per minute. Okay, with the strings muted, it'll be about this tempo. Okay, so play with me using the muted string. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up. Okay, so that'll be the tempo there. So let's play with the drum backing track. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's fantastic. Hopefully you've been enjoying these video lessons on various strumming patterns. I've got several more yet to come. Just take your time and try to learn these different patterns as well. You can play some of these patterns with a variety of songs. All you gotta do is just listen to the song and just try to see what kind of strumming pattern they're using, and then you can kind of mimic that and catch on and play with many, many songs. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I appreciate it. If you hit that, that lets me know I'm heading in the right direction and you're enjoying what you're seeing, okay? If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. They're just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate you guys joining today. Have a great day. God bless you.